Hello YouTube, this is Jacques Cousteau and welcome to another episode of Wildlife in Florida. Today we will be featuring some little critters here in Florida on the Silver Husky channel. Bonjour YouTube and welcome to the show. Here we have le Petit Reptilian. They can be found everywhere in South Florida. This little critter is known as the common squirrel. They can be found all throughout the United States, and you should not feed them little things like bread because they may bite you. Very often they carry disease and fleas and all kinds of crazy stuff. So you do not want to do what this guy is doing right here. But as you can see, the squirrel is a little hesitant. He walks away, he looks around, but then he really wants that piece of pizza. So here he comes. Let's see if he will take it. He's sniffing. He wants it. Let's see, will he take it? He's fighting his nature. His nature says run. Sacre bleu, he cannot resist. Here he comes. Oh, I do not know. What do you think? Will he take it? Will he take it? Nature is pretty crazy. Animals. One day I believe these things will be domesticated, no? And he got it. There he goes. Look at this guy. He is back for more. He cannot resist the pizza. This is the power of dominoes. I too like dominoes. But this little guy, he decided to hang around. Quel dommage. That looks like a good piece of pizza. Don't you think? So the common squirrel is pretty interesting. We're about to see some other little critters. Can you see it off in the distance? There it is. It's a little blob. Oh, this little blob is not so little. That is an interesting little creature. It's about the size of my leg. This is known as the iguana, an invasive species that comes by the numbers. They have decimated South Florida, eating bird eggs and fruit, all kinds of natural things, and they run. They have very few natural predators, therefore they proliferate. That is a difficult word. Here we have two more. This park seems to be filled with them. Let's see if they run, or if they will let me pet them. Here they go. Full throttle. It's a race. And the one on the right wins. This one went up the tree. Oh, you probably cannot see it, but he is up there. These iguanas, they can swim, they can climb, they can run. They're all over the place. Thank you YouTube for joining us for another short adventure here in South Florida. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications for upcoming amazing videos. We thank you so much and have a great day.
Code breakers, send your responses to my email. Do not release the answers in the comment section or risk being disqualified.